Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, is Bitcoin going to make higher high? Is Ethereum going to make a short-term higher high? Or what about altcoins? Are going to go up or down? Well, to all these questions, the answer will be revealed tomorrow at 1 p.m. when the Feds they will make their decision on the interest rate. Now, as you can see, the consensus it's 5%, so it means they're going to increase by 25 points. And then I believe that that's what they're going to do. There are many people, they say that maybe they are going to hold the increase, and in my opinion that's very unlikely, because government is going to look very bad. So increasing by 25 points, it just says, okay guys, we're almost there, it's almost finished. Maybe this is the last increase. Anyway, if we keep it doing that, we're going to destroy our economy, and all our banks are going to go bankrupt because they don't know how to do risk management, and then they over leverage, and they're losing money. And me, I was talking about hyperinflation 2 years ago. Now people start to have that option out there. So just I always say, if you are prepared for the worst case scenario, you can sleep like a baby. That's what I do. So yeah, so tomorrow for sure something's going to happen. I'm leaning for the 25 basis. If that is the case, good for market, because everybody's expecting that, and no changement. And then Bitcoin can continue maybe to do another short-term higher high, maybe reach 29,000, maybe 30. We will see. And then also, what else can you say? Well, we have the dominance of Bitcoin. Yesterday I did a video on that. If you didn't see it, you can go and check it up. I was saying we're doing this uptrend contracting channeling. Let's watch out for if it can hold this line here. And when actually we failed, yesterday was funny, because even though Bitcoin was going on the side, the altcoin, they were dropping like crazy, in my opinion, for no reason. And now look, we're losing the dominance in Bitcoin, and the altcoins are having substantial gains. Now, I don't know what's happening with XRP. I'm going to go and check it out after. 13%, that's quite a lot compared to other coins. Okay, so Bitcoin, let me see here. So we're still, I would say, going on the side. We kind of fell down this uptrend line, and now we're bouncing back. We're not sure what to do. Honestly, it's a little bit annoying. I can also, for the cause, also maybe start to do something more like that. Like so. Yeah, or I can just move this one here. But we can clearly see that now we do have this trend here that start to act as a resistance, and here it's a support, and we're bouncing back. Let's see how it goes. So I would say this is usually it's a continuation of the trend. So maybe we're going to go and actually make a higher high. Now let me go and add. Man, it's a long time I didn't. Do I have it here? Yes. So let me go on the 1 hour, 1 day. Yeah, I was expecting something more though, honestly. Okay, so we have some volume at 29. So you can see here the relevance this would be a point where we're going to have a kind of a resistance. So I would say between 32,374 and actually, you know what? No, between 30,000, let's say 450 to 29,100. Anyway, this area here is going to for sure act as a resistance. And that if we ever bust that, then you know it's like see here. After that, our next reference is going to be around the 40k. So this is where the most of people acquired Bitcoin, and that's why, you know, from these levels we dropped to this level. So this also is another indicator that you can use once in a while to have an extra idea where are the biggest volume, where I would say people got in or out. You can see the most time there were transaction. So now once again, there are many ways to calculate this. Did we do the complete the 5 waves here, or you know, this was the 4th still, and then we went a little bit lower, we wick out, but we never had a full close candle below this level here. So it could also be a wave 4. And then I calculated as a 5th wave here, and I said this was the A, which, you know, we went kind of low, and we went directly to the 0.5, almost reached the 0.618. Also possible. Now I am also considering that this could be overshooting wave B, or this is indeed our 5th wave. So both counts are still valid, and then both counts can go higher. Let me see here. So as you can see, you know, sometimes the wave B can reach the 1.618, and when we did reach and then react, and now we are there still. So that's another valid point. And then well, really rarely can reach the 2.618, but then for that I start to think that it starts to be unlikely that this is going to be a wave B anymore, and it would be just a wave 5. But the only thing, any scenario that I count, we can still go higher, a little bit higher, and then for sure eventually we need to have a pullback, unless we just count this as this would be a 1, 2, and this would be a 1, and A, B, C. So this would be another 1, 2, and this would be a 1. Maybe it's not even finished. We're going to go higher, and we're going to make another 2. So that would be 3, 1, 2 in a row. That's also possible, but that would be like crazy bullish. Because when we have a few 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, it's really push the price much higher potentially. Also, if I go, where was it? I think it was here. So let's remember that I'm still keeping the option that, you know, we didn't completed this 5th wave, and then we didn't complete the wave C, and we're going to make a lower low. And if that is the case, we did the WXY, and within this wave Y, we're going to have an A, a B, and a C. And then we can still go and reach up to 33,700, let's say 34, and this would be still a wave 4, a valid wave 4. And then after that we're going to do a wave 5. So this is the other thing we can keep in mind. But for the moment, I would say good news in the macro tomorrow. More likely positive news, higher price in Bitcoin. Maybe we rally a little bit more. Maybe we bust the 29,000. Would be amazing. Let me see here. 1 day. Well, ideally, I would really love to go and bust this peak here, 32,370. Can we do it? We will see tomorrow, I guess, or in next week or so. All right, I think this is a pretty much all for Bitcoin for the moment. We can see the RSI, it's tipping into the oversold. MACD starts to lose some momentum, but it still can push higher prices. Shorter term, we can see that the RSI is in decline, and MACD also is in negative momentum, and the 1 hour also, it's pretty much all the same. So short term, I would say, well, actually, honestly, even the 1 hour, if in any time now it can bounce back and make higher prices, it still has power, it still has some fuel up. Ideally, honestly though, since we're doing this, I would say this would have been the, I don't know, could be, this is the A, B, C, D, E. We're going to go and then retest this lower trend again, and then after maybe spike. Could it be? Yeah, I don't think so. We're going to be, because the tomorrow it's at 2, and this is and Bitcoin usually narrow weight, but usually, yeah, Bitcoin in narrow weight at the end of the edge. Anyway, let's see tomorrow how it goes. Let's see how Bitcoin is reacting. For the moment, it's keeping steady, and altcoins are rallying, so this is a happy day. Let's enjoy the moment, and then if I have time tomorrow, I can make a video too. I don't think so, because I work. Alright, so maybe Thursday then, worst case scenario Saturday. Alright, so have a good day. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you.